Best survival gadgets on Amazon. When it comes to survival, having the right tools can mean the difference between life and death. Whether you're planning a camping trip in the wilderness or preparing for an emergency, survival gadgets are essential. These tools aren't just about convenience, they're about keeping you safe and helping you overcome unexpected challenges. Amazon has become a go-to marketplace for survival gear, offering a range of innovative and reliable gadgets that can make all the difference in a survival situation. Power Plus Barracuda LED Solar Wind-Up Torch. One of the most crucial things to have in any survival situation is a reliable light source. The Power Plus Barracuda LED Solar Wind-Up Torch is an exceptional survival gadget because it ensures that you'll never be left in the dark. This torch doesn't rely on batteries, so you don't have to worry about it running out of power when you need it most. It has both solar charging capabilities and a wind-up function, meaning that even in the most remote locations, you can always generate light. Its durable, weather-resistant design ensures that it can withstand tough conditions, whether it's rain, snow, or extreme temperatures. Bear Grylls Ultimate Survival Kit. Bear Grylls is a name synonymous with survival, and his Ultimate Survival Kit is packed with everything you need to tackle the wild. This compact kit is designed by one of the most famous survival experts, ensuring that every item in it is both practical and essential. It includes fire-starting tools, an emergency cord, fishing gear, and even a small survival guide with tips from Bear himself. Everything is packed in a weather-resistant pouch that can easily fit in your backpack, making it a great addition to any camping or hiking trip. What makes this kit stand out is the quality of each item. The fire starter, for example, is designed to work in any weather, so you can start a fire even in wet conditions. HydroPack Collapsible Bottle. Water is the most critical resource in a survival situation, and the HydroPack Collapsible Bottle ensures that you can always carry water with you, no matter how light you need to travel. This bottle is designed to collapse down when it's empty, saving precious space in your backpack. Its durable, BPA-free material ensures that it can withstand being tossed around, and it can hold up to 1 liter of water when fully expanded. The wide-mouth design makes it easy to fill, clean, and even add ice cubes for those hot, dry days. What's great about this bottle is its portability and convenience. Swedish Army Fire Steel. Fire is one of the most critical elements in any survival situation. It provides warmth, a way to cook food, and even protection. The Swedish Army Fire Steel is one of the best fire-starting tools available, and it's trusted by military forces around the world. This small, lightweight tool creates a shower of sparks, igniting fires even in challenging conditions such as wind or rain. The rod can strike thousands of times, ensuring that you'll have the ability to start fires long after other methods might fail. This fire steel is not just for emergencies. It's also a great tool for camping and outdoor adventures. BioLite Camp Stove. When you're out in the wild, having a reliable way to cook food and boil water is essential. The BioLite Camp Stove is a game-changer in the world of portable stoves because it doesn't require any fuel canisters. Instead, it uses small sticks, leaves, and other natural materials you can find around you to generate fire. What's even more amazing is that it converts the heat from the fire into electricity, allowing you to charge your phone or other small devices while you cook. This dual-purpose design makes it an excellent choice for campers, hikers, and survivalists. The BioLite Camp Stove is compact and easy to carry, making it perfect for long trips where you don't want to be weighed down by bulky fuel canisters. Zippo Hand Warmer. When temperatures drop, staying warm becomes a priority, especially in survival situations. The Zippo Hand Warmer is a small but incredibly powerful tool that can keep your hands warm for up to 12 hours. It uses a flameless catalytic burner that provides consistent heat, making it much more reliable than disposable hand warmers. Its sleek, compact design fits easily in your pocket, and it's reusable, so you can count on it for multiple trips or emergencies. What sets the Zippo Hand Warmer apart is its longevity and effectiveness. While other hand warmers might only last a couple of hours, this one will keep you warm throughout the day, making it ideal for long hikes, camping trips, or emergencies. Leatherman One-Hand Tool. Having a multi-tool is essential for survival, and the Leatherman One-Hand Tool is one of the best on the market. What makes this tool unique is its ability to be operated with just one hand, making it incredibly convenient in tough situations where you might need your other hand free. The Leatherman features a variety of tools, including a knife, pliers, screwdrivers, and wire cutters, all packed into one compact design. This versatility makes it invaluable for survival, as you can use it for everything from cutting rope to fixing gear. GoTime Gear Life Tent Emergency Survival Shelter. When you're in a survival situation, having shelter is a top priority, and the GoTime Gear Life Tent is an excellent option for staying protected from the elements. This emergency shelter is made from a durable, weatherproof material that reflects body heat, keeping you warm even in freezing conditions. It's incredibly lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry in your backpack or emergency kit. The Life Tent can accommodate 2 people and can be set up in minutes, providing instant protection from rain, wind, and cold temperatures. What makes the GoTime Gear Life Tent stand out is its versatility. It can be used as a survival tent, a ground cover, or even as a blanket if necessary. The included 120 decibel whistle can also be used to signal for help in an emergency. Autoland Camping Stove Kit. Cooking in the wild can be a challenge, but the Autoland Camping Stove Kit makes it easy. This compact kit includes a portable stove, pots, and utensils, all designed to be lightweight and easy to carry. The stove is powered by a gas canister and provides a steady, reliable flame for cooking. Whether you're boiling water, cooking a meal, or just heating up a snack, this kit has everything you need to prepare food in the great outdoors. The pots are made from durable, heat-resistant materials, ensuring that they can withstand high temperatures without warping or melting. What makes the Autoland Camping Stove Kit great for survival is its portability and simplicity. The entire kit packs down into a small, lightweight bundle that won't take up much space in your backpack. It's also very easy to set up and use, even for beginners. In a survival situation, having a reliable way to cook food can make all the difference, and this kit ensures that you'll be able to prepare hot meals wherever you are. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Water is essential for survival, but not all water sources are safe to drink from. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter is a revolutionary gadget that allows you to drink directly from lakes, rivers, or streams without worrying about harmful bacteria or parasites. This portable filter removes 99% of waterborne bacteria and 99.9% of parasites, ensuring that the water you drink is safe. It's incredibly lightweight and easy to use. Just place the straw in the water and drink, as you would with any straw. There's no need for batteries or chemicals, making it an ideal tool for survival situations. The LifeStraw is a game changer for anyone who spends time outdoors. Whether you're hiking, camping, or caught in an emergency, this filter ensures that you'll have access to clean water. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, and it can filter up to 1,000 liters of water, so it will last you through many adventures. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.